Good morning, dear student. Today I am going to teach about how to create a new folder. Now, Information Technology, Part 29, Class 9, Unit 2, topic, chapter is File Management. Now, our topic is creating a new file. How to create a folder, a file. There is creating a new folder. A folder is that place where we can keep our data, file, different types of information in the folder. Now, how to create this folder? Windows Explorer allows you to create new folder. That means Windows Explorer allow you to create new folder. We can create a new folder in the Windows Explorer. Follow the step given below to create a new folder. There are different steps given here. Now, first of all, in the first point, in the left window, select the drive or folder in which you want to create a new folder. Suppose that you want to create in the C drive, D drive, then you select C drive and E drive. In the left window, select the drive or folder. Suppose that you want to create any file, any folder in a folder, then you select a folder in which you want to create a new folder. Then point number 2, go to file menu. Click new option and select folder option. Then select folder option. Next point, a folder with the name new folder is created in the selected drive or folder and give new name of folder. A folder with the name new folder is created in the selected drive or folder. Then we give a new name of our folder. And now next, alternatively, we can create next way to create folder. There are different ways to create new folder. Now, our alternative way is that first of all, right click anywhere in the blank space of right window. Right click anywhere in the blank space of right window. From the right click menu, select new and folder. From the right click menu, select new and folder. A new folder is created in the selected drive and folder. This is the way to create folder anywhere in the blank space of our right window. This is the way, alternative way. Now, we can discuss next topic. Now our next topic is how to create folder on the desktop. Now, creating a folder on the desktop. That means how to create a folder on the desktop. There are different steps we follow to create folder on the desktop. Now, first of all, right click on the desktop and select new and folder. First of all, right click on the desktop and select new and folder. A new folder is created on the desktop. The new folder is created on the desktop. That is on the desktop. A new folder is created on the desktop. And give a name to the folder. Give a name of folder. If you want any name, you give them. And now, next point is renaming files and folders. How to rename a file and a folder. There are several methods of renaming a file or folder. There are different ways to create, to rename. There are several methods. There are different ways to rename a file and folder. Now, the first method is first. Locate the file or folder to be renamed and select it by clicking on it once. First of all, locate the file or folder to be renamed and select it by clicking on it once. Then press F2 and type the new name. Then press F2 and type the new name. Now method 2. Select the folder or file to be renamed. Method number 2, there are select the folder or file to be renamed and click file and rename. Click file and rename. Type the new name and press enter key. Then our files folder name is changed. Now this is the way to create a new folder on the desktop and renaming file and folder. Now today is enough. Thank you.